Hello friends, today I am going to show you the procedure for a dish which we call Nuccina Unde in Kannada. The ingredients for the dish are as follows. We have taken tur dal, chana dal and urad dal. We have taken approximately 1.5 cups of tur dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. We also have got grated coconut. We will take approximately 3/4 to 1 cup of grated coconut for this. We have coriander leaves. We have got asafoetida or hing here, and we have chili and salt to taste. What we are going to do next is we have the dal which has been soaked for 2 to 3 hours, and we will take the coconut, we will take chili and the hing, and we are going to grind it coarse. It should not be ground very nicely. So friends, now we have the dough which has been ground very coarse. You see it here. We have the coriander leaves which are cut. We generally don't put this for grinding. Now we will add the coriander leaves to the ground flour. Just mix it well before we make it into small balls and keep it into a plate which has been greased with oil, and we then put it into an idli maker just like this and go on to bake it. So we had taken the Nuccina Unde, made it into small balls, or you can put it in a idli plate like this flat as well, either of those two if it does not fit into the idli tray like this. And we had baked it for close to 15 minutes. Now the tip here is generally it is ready for consumption straight away, but it generally is very hard. So people who want it a little soft, what we do is we kind of try to recook it. So we take the cooked Nuccina Unde from the idli plates, put it into a bowl, and we try to break it into small pieces. Ensure that you are not mixing it or you are not doing anything. It is just slowly breaking it into small pieces so that it does not turn it into a paste form. So once you do this, once you just break it, you put it back into the plate for baking for another 8 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready for consumption. The two key tips here are not to ensure that the flour is ground very nicely, and second, recooking it again for 8-10 minutes so that it comes out very soft. People generally add ginger and onions. We have not added it, so it's by choice. You can add ginger or onion to the grinding mixture at the beginning for the dal, and then this is ready for consumption. We have put extra chilies to make it spicy so that once you bake it, the spice level comes down. Enjoy a spicy dish. Thank you friends. If you like it, send us the feedback.